Alright, let's get started on flashing the C5. Open Mellow, Pipper. Click to view the document. Fly C series board. Select Fly C5, then click to compile and flash the C5 firmware. How do you know which firmware you need? Since the C5 is an all-in-one board for both host and MCU, if you're not using the CAN tool board, make sure to select the USB firmware. You only need the CAN bridge firmware when using the CAN tool board. This firmware is for USB. This is the USB to CAN bridge firmware. In this video, we'll start with flashing the USB firmware. The first step in flashing the firmware is to check the switch. Before flashing, make sure the board switch is flipped up. Flip the switch upward here. To connect to SSH, ensure your antenna or Ethernet cable is properly connected. Now, let's power it on. Connect to the Type-C port near the host side. Next, select Session and set up INC connection through the network. Put in the IP address you found. Type in root as the username. Type in Mellow as the password. A USB firmware has been pre-compiled in the FlyASFast system. No need to manually compile the firmware, just execute the command below to burn it. Now, let's copy this command and use it for flashing. It will automatically compile and flash. Enter the IP address in the browser to open it. Open Printer, CFG and click the Devices section to locate the ID. Allocate the path using the ID, then copy and paste it right after the MCU line in the config file. Once you save and restart, if nothing goes wrong, you're all connected. That's the end of the video.